Hello, how to solve for x in this equation 6 to the power of x plus 7 is equal to 7 to the power of x plus 6. Solution. Then here we have the given equation 6 to the power of x plus 7 is equal to 7 to the power of x plus 6. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Then this equation can be written as 6 to the power of x multiplied by 6 to the power of 7 is equal to 7 to the power of x multiplied by 7 to the power of 6. Now, at this point, here is the trick. Let's divide this 6 to the power of x by this 7 to the power of x, and this 6 to the power of 7 by 6 to the power of 7 here. Also here, let's divide this 7 to the power of x by 7 to the power of x, and this 7 to the power of 6 by 6 to the power of 7. Then this we cancel this, and this we cancel this. We have 6 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x is equal to, here is 7 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 7. Then take note of this, that if you have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this is equal to a divided by b all to the power of n. Then this can be written as 6 divided by 7 all to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 7. Now let's take the log of both sides. From here we have log 6 divided by 7 all to the power of x is equal to log 7 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 7. Now if you have log b to the power of c, this is equal to c log b. Then this can be written as x log 6 divided by 7 is equal to log 7 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 7. Now also take note of this, that if you have log a divided by b, this is equal to log a minus log b. Then this can be written as x log, here is 6 minus log 7 is equal to, this is log 7 to the power of 6 minus log 6 to the power of 7. Then here we have s log 6 minus log 7 is equal to, this can be written as 6 log 7 minus 7 log 6. But we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by log 7 minus log 6. This divided by log, let's divide both sides by log 6 minus log 7. This is divided by log 6 minus log 7, and this divided by log 6 minus log 7. Then this we cancel this. Then x is equal to 6 log 7 minus 7 log 6 divided by log 6 minus log 7, and this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.